slightly brighter with 144Hz support and with the latest iteration of Alpha 9 AI picture processor. These are the main upgrades C4 brings over its predecessor. I've tested the 55-inch version, but you can find it in the same range of sizes as the C3, from 42 up to 83 inches. Should you buy it or wait for the new C5? Let's find out. In the design department, everything is the same except for the color of the stand and the TV's backside. I find the new umber brown color a refreshing update in a world that is dominated by shades of grey. What do you think? Connectivity is the same, with all 4 HDMI ports capable of accepting UHD 4K at 144Hz with VRR support. 3 USB ports can be used to record live TV, charge different devices, or playback media files from a USB flash memory or external hard drive. The remote is the same as in previous years. I still find it the best on the market thanks to its unique features. WebOS has an updated version number, but in reality, it doesn't bring any significant changes. Thanks to the WebOS Renew program, the TV will keep getting updated WebOS versions for the next 5 years, and this is already valid for previous generations that are now getting functions such as Google Chromecast and the Dolby Vision Filmmaker mode. In terms of picture quality, C4 doesn't bring any significant improvements over C3, but despite that, it remains a high performer with excellent results, whether you're watching SDR content or playing games in HDR at 144Hz. In terms of color accuracy, my C4 unit was excellent, so in picture modes like Cinema or Filmmaker, I was able to enjoy the picture without any noticeable deviations from the original material. Picture controls worked fine, so it was easy to fine-tune any errors in white balance and colors and achieve an even better result. For more details on how to set up picture controls, see my picture settings video. In terms of peak brightness, I've measured close to 900 nits in the most accurate picture modes, which is a small improvement over the C3 OLED. In practice, this is not something you will see in real-world content, but still it is nice to see at least some improvement over the previous generation. My unit had a noticeable green tint when viewed from an angle. This seems to be a common issue, with intensity varying from unit to unit. Still, even with these limitations, the viewing angles remain greatly better than any TV based on LCD technology. The sound quality is on the same level as before, with AI sound options available to improve the clarity of dialogue and expand the soundstage. Compared to mainstream TVs I tested, including TCL C655 Pro with a built-in subwoofer, C4 provided a fuller, better balanced sound. Despite that, I always recommend an external audio system. For this test, I've used Denon AVR connected on HDMI eARC port and had no issues in getting DTS and Dolby Audio formats. C4 remains a great choice for gamers with plenty of controls to fine-tune the image, support for all relevant VRR formats, addition of 144Hz mode and low input lag. PC users can enjoy full color resolution as well as Dolby Vision thanks to the Dolby Vision PC mode. Some of you have expressed concern about game mode and its brightness, but the measurements and the actual time I've spent in front of the TV confirm that there is no concern. For typical usage, C4 is bright enough for both SDR and HDR gaming. The risk of permanent image retention or burn-in is still present on new 2024 OLED TVs, though with standard usage the risk is minimal. Short-term image retention can occur, as I saw during the calibration process, but this quickly goes away by displaying random full-screen content. To conclude, LG's C4 performed well in my test and deserves a spot in my list of recommended TVs in the price category of 1000 euros for the 55-inch screen size at the time of making this review. While it brings small improvements over its predecessor, it remains a well-rounded TV for watching movies and TV shows, playing games, or integrating it in your smart home. Based on the history of LG C series and their upgrades, I do not expect the C5 to bring significant improvements. Besides, it will be more expensive when it comes out. If you are looking for an alternative with QD OLED screen and in the same price range, then consider Samsung S90D. In the mini LED LCD world, I'd consider alternatives such as Samsung QN90D or TCL's Series 8 models. I would like to thank the LG representative office in Croatia for lending me this TV for testing, as well as RuiPro for sending me an 8K detachable pure optical fiber HDMI cable for connecting external devices. There will be more about this cable in a separate video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I wish you a great day.